start off our stories with Mr. Easy, who has shared in a recent radio interview with Niger FM in Nigeria that, contrary to popular opinion, he didn't keep his wedding a secret. According to him, the proof that the wedding was real is in the music video for his song Legalize. He went on to add that their outfits weren't costumes and that when you watch the video carefully, you would see everything clearly. I think we have the interview.
Thank God.
Yeah. Marriage life don't be since then.
We thank God.
Yeah.
Thank God.
So why you marry, you don't let people know? Easy.
Who tells you I don't let people know?
But you promised
Hello,
us
you promised
that
to
you would
give me
invite us invite.
And the announcer for radio, I know say nobody go, but I go. Only for me to hear say Easy don't marry. And the person who I call here for now, somebody with it close to you. No ask me name. I don't tell you. You get. I go start to the watch. Today I say I go follow your wife. Yeah. I go say you go mistakenly post the wedding picture. May I see her? Because I know say don't sit down, don't calculate things. You get me? I not see. Only say sometimes I go see you now. I go travel, wear the same cloth. I'll say okay. I'll use that to look for your ring. Whether ring go day hand. I know see ring. I'll check her ring down.
Monetary spirit.
She's like, I know you give me info. Where I come make up my mind. Now when I see her for, I think your 3 days ago live video.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think on a day.
Guys, moving on to some. I don't even know how to, put this particular story. But the family drama surrounding veteran comic actor John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, has escalated with accusations and counter-accusations over funds donated for his medical treatment. Mr. Ibu's wife, Stella Maris, had alleged in an Instagram post that the adopted daughter, Jasmine, hijacked the actor's bank account and was spreading false claims that she, Stella, wanted to divert donation money. Stella Maris accused Jasmine of making her an outsider in her own home and controlling Mr. Ibu's account secretly. However, Daniel Okafor, the actor's second son, has refuted the allegations. According to him, there is no truth in what Stella Maris has been sharing online and that Jasmine does not have access to that account. He emphasized that he is the signatory to the account and his father's next of kin.
Oh, man, Charlie.
I didn't want to do this story.
Because the mother of the two?
No, she's their step.
Oh.
Their step
That's a step.
Yes. Jasmine is also an adopted daughter. He's not from
the son is Mr. Ibu's son.
Yes.
And what he says is what we'll take, Oh.
Guys, moving on to some international news that Godwin sent to me yesterday.
I see Godwin sent to me yesterday. You didn't know.
Brother Bilal, a former assistant to American star Will Smith, has revealed that he walked in on the actor having sex with the actor Dwayne Martin, and he made this known via an interview with Tasha K, from which, and this was posted on YouTube. Yes, I know. Please, we have the video. Let's see it.
That everybody wanted, and Will needed that validation to have that type of woman.
You saw her say that Will Smith had a small.
I am saying to you, if a woman is used to something the size of a baby leg and you come in with a pinky toe, there's nothing you can do to please her. You can buy her 80 cars, you can get her 80 private jets. If she's itching for that baby leg, she want that baby leg. You can beat a person so much that they fall into submission.
And who needs enemies when they got friends like you?
Oh, I could tell you what goes on the inside. Everybody else is just speculation.
Somebody told me I made my pictures in the book. You know, your picture's in the book and your name is in the book. So it's like you're doing some real elegant pimp. I'm blowing you up. I love that. I'm blowing you up.
This is what Jada makes the new people do. And I ain't gonna say new, they probably been there after myself, right? They will make you check into a rehab. And they'll pay for the rehab. Even though you're not on drugs, they're gonna pay for the rehab. And you have to go if you want to work with them. And then I've saw sexual acts that I walked in on.
Who'd you walk in on?
Him and Dwayne Martin.
Okay.
Hollywood is the hurry up and wait game. So 3 minutes later, after them telling me, hey, you got eyes on Will, we need him to come watch this. So I'm running all over the studio. He's not in his dressing room. I go to the cafeteria. I'm like, well, but I see his car there. I'm like, where's this guy at? So now I'm holding Dwayne down too, so I have the keys to his dressing room. So I'm like, yo, and they're calling I'm on walkie-talkie and they're calling my cell phone. Yo, we need to get Will here. I'm like, yo, kind of down. Like, I'm trying to find this. Like, this is unlike him, right? So, all right, I open the door to Dwayne's dressing room, and that's when I see Dwayne and having anal sex with Will.
Let me process that for a second.
There was a couch, and Will was bent over on the couch, and Dwayne was standing up, killing him. Murder, like murder. It was murder in there.
The expression for me.
Okay.
Yes.
My dear, thank you very much.